Right there. Alright, so we got AYED coming with America here soon. Alright, here it comes. Here comes the America. You really hear that rumbling?
Yep.
And I just said that it's coming right now. And yep. It's really...
Oh, we're going to stay back here.
It's literally... There we go.
He's fine, boys. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Going kind of slow, huh?
Yep, because that's the slow track, I remember.
Oh, the far one is the slow track?
Yes.
Okay.
This is not the fast track.
Yeah.
So here it is. Look at those cars. I mean, I could just record some of it.
Why don't we just do the whole thing, buddy, and then we'll go get lunch?
Yeah. Well, my phone's at 7% now, Daddy.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Just record as much as you want to record, and then we'll go.
But we need to charge my phone, so why couldn't we just go in the car?
Can you take a video from the car?
I think so.
Okay. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just go to the car. Because you'll still see, like, the train.
Here, you sit over here, buddy, so you can charge your phone. Plug your phone in.
There it goes. This is probably the end of the rail cars. The end of the rail cars. Now we're on the normal part of the train where it before started. They picked up those rail cars from Gardner. But now this is from air. My phone's going down, Daddy.